Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company. Me, my cousin, he's AFK right now. The poopies. You know, we're just at chicken. We're gonna show you how to kill chicken. Just when my cousin comes back, I'm gonna show you how we kill the chicken. Like a chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. And today we're gonna be killing the chicken. I'm making a video. Yeah, I told him you were doing the poopies. We're, we're gonna show him how to kill the chicken. We gotta play in the game so they can hear us almost. Uh oh, Kenny, Kenny, Kenny. Today we're gonna be showing you how to kill the chicken. So easiest way is just using crowbars, weapons, melees. Only melees because if you don't hit it with a melee, it's not gonna die. You're just gonna want to spam it. That's how you kill the chicken. Now we're gonna show you how to kill other things. Right? Right? But then, but then hear me the first time. I'm gonna show you how to kill red light, green light. Yeah. Then we're gonna show you the mimic. And then we're gonna show you how to beat Haunted Mansion. And then we're gonna show you how to kill the spider. Then we're gonna show you how to kill a lot more stuff like the bomb. Except for the red bomb, because that bomb can kill you instantly. Kenny, sing them your special song. It goes, Kenny, Kenny, sing him your special song. It goes, sing him your special song. It goes, still standing better than ever. Standing better than I ever been. I'm feeling like a little poopy. Let me grab my grappler. Can you be right there? I'm grabbing my grappler. Because I'm still standing after all this time. I'm looking like a true survivor. Standing better than I ever. Looking like a true survivor. And we're also going to show you how to mine, guys. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So as you can see, you could use a pickaxe, a crowbar, whatever that is a melee weapon just to break these. The diamonds and the green ones and the iron ones are preferred. I would say so too, but I'm still standing better than ever been. Alright, Kenny, did they update this, bro? They updated it again? And don't you know that I'm still standing after all this time? I'm looking like a chooser, feeling like a little cat. Oh, I'm almost, Kenny, I'm almost dead. Because these mini chickens are hitting me somehow. Did you die? Where? Yeah. Also, I forgot to tell you almost. Try to get the pink stuff swollen. Bro, I can't. Not moving. Just go, just go, just go. Did you pass it? I'm not moving. Oh, Kenny. Yo, did you die? Watch out, watch out. Yeah, that's. We didn't even kill him. Yeah, it's all good. This is where the hard part comes. This is where you gotta find your way. Wait, should I kill Mimic? I have a flashbang. Let me use my flashbang. Let me get it. Here it is. Wait, I'm coming. Let me get my. Kenny, watch out. I'm gonna throw this the thing. Oh, you made it? What? Is he over there? I see you. Just go, just go, just go. Just turn. Turn where? What? I'm playing with Kenny. We're making a video. No. Let me do this first. Let me do this first. I'm making a video with Kenny. We're about to be finished. Where are you? That's crazy. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry again. Bro, you keep getting in the way. Yeah. What do you think I'm gonna have to? I'm gonna have to go in a bit. Let's just escape because I have to do my stuff, like some stuff. End it.